Have you ever wanted to use Android apps on your PC but got tired of dealing with emulators that are slow, buggy, and constantly crashing? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and run Android apps directly on your PC. No emulators and no performance issues. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for Windows Subsystem for Android. Among the search results, look for the GitHub repository that provides modified WSA builds. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the ORSUR Releases section. Make sure you select a version marked as stable. Do not download pre-release builds, as these can be unstable and may cause problems. For this guide, I'm using the Windows 10 64-bit stable version. Now scroll down to the Assets area. From the list of files, download the package that includes Google Apps and has the Amazon App Store removed. This file is usually listed near the top and comes in zip format. Before installing anything, we need to enable a required Windows feature. Click the Windows search bar and type. Turn Windows features on or off. Then open it. In the list, find HAS Virtual Machine Platform. If it's not enabled, check the box, click OK, and restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, go to the zip file you downloaded. Right-click it and extract the files. After extraction, open the folder and locate the file named Run. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. PowerShell will open and automatically begin the installation process. Just wait while it completes the required steps. When the Windows Subsystem for Android Settings window appears, click Advanced Settings and enable Developer Mode. This is important if you plan to install APK files manually in the future. Close the Settings window and return to PowerShell. Press any key when prompted to continue the installation. Once everything is finished, the Google Play Store will open. Click Allow to grant access, and you're now ready to use the Play Store. Sign in using your Google account, and you'll have access to Android apps directly on your PC. To confirm everything is working, let's install an app or a game. As you can see, it runs smoothly without the lag you usually get from emulators. You can launch installed apps either from the Play Store or directly through the Windows search menu. And that's it for this video. If this guide helped you, consider hitting the likes on button. If you have questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.